Hello everyone, welcome to High-Tech Programming Tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Python on Windows and how to get started very quickly on encoding your very first program. Now let's get started. Now in order to do this, we're just going to go ahead and type in anaconda.com/distribution and then press enter. It will redirect you to this page. You click on download. After clicking the download button, it will install Anaconda for you. So in order to do this, we're going to be opening up the file that we have already downloaded, like so. Just type in now that we've opened up the file after completing the downloading process, we're going to press next, press I agree, and then just me, and then choose a certain directory. We're just going to click on here and then choose Anaconda again, then click next, and then check both of these and then click install. After you click on install, it will tell you that it's been completed, and then you click on finish. Before that, you need to uncheck both options that were displayed for you. Now I'm just going to click on cancel because I've already installed this on my computer. So in order to give you a very brief overview of how to use the terminal or the command prompt, you're just going to press a Windows button and then R, and then type in CMD, press enter. Opens up the CMD for you. You're just going to say CD desktop, and then now we are in the desktop directory. CD stands for change directory. If we want to make a new directory, we're just going to type in make directory or mkdir, and then type in Hassan. Now that we've created a directory, we can go into that directory and create a new file. In order to create a new file, we should type in echo.example.txt. Now we have a file, a newly created file. In order to open up Jupyter notebook, which was installed by Anaconda, we just type in Jupyter notebook inside that new Hassan folder. Now that we're done, we're just going to create a new Python file. Now that we've created a new Python file, I'm just going to change the title of this document to video 1 Python _1, and then start coding. We want to create a markdown. You just type in Motaz Hassan and then type in markdown and then press shift and enter, and that's it. Now if you want to go into how to print hello world on Windows, you just type in, I'm just going to give you printing hello world. Just type in print like so, and then hello world. That's it. Press shift enter, and there you go. Now if you want to display the numbers, you just click right here and then press L. You get the numbers displayed, and that's it.